Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set shopping permissions in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed, where we can find interesting ideas. But from here we have to go into the saved menu, and in the saved menu in the top right corner we have to tap on this little cog. Then we find the settings button, and in settings we find the social permissions. And here in the social permissions menu we scroll down and find shopping recommendations, and we can either turn this on or off to show in standard pins, or we can turn on the function to show in idea pins as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.